Check out this nice looking Eldo. 2002 Cadillac Eldorado. Nice looking car. Best thing about this car, low miles, a little over 33,000 original miles. I'll get into some of the custom stuff on it when we walk around it, but let's stick to the basics here first. Crimson Pearl is the color of this car. I think one of the better Cadillac colors you could have gotten in 2002. Of course, underneath the hood, 4.6 liter dual overhead cam, 32 valve V8 engine. Puts out approximately 300 horsepower and will get excellent economy to boot. Easily in the upper 20 mile per gallon range going down the highway. Cars have a great range to them with the size of the tank and the mileage that they get. Of course, that is paired with an automatic transmission. All the amenities, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and of course nicely equipped power windows, power locks, tilt cruise, CD player, heated seats, leather seats, power seats, all of the good stuff you'd expect on a Cadillac. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, check out the engine bay, interior, trunk, see how clean it is, look it over real close. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, our phone number, 507-386-1726. Ask if you have any specific questions. We've sold a few of these. Some of the employees here have owned them also, so we know these cars pretty well. Now, what this one has had done to it after it left Cadillac, of course, is the vinyl roof that has been put on here. Nice quality one too, and it is vinyl, it's not cloth. It's more of a rugged, tougher finish to it. It's going to hold up. We have Vogue tires on, the stock Cadillac wheels, and a little bit of extra chrome above the wheels. Line up and match the chrome going around the body and the front and rear fascia. Now, as you can see up and down the side of this car, not full of dings, scratches, nicks, dents. Neutral shale color interior in this one, which is also in nice shape. Of course, automatic with overdrive shifter on the floor, center console. Power antenna back here, that is working. Of course, this is the ESC model of the Eldorado. Dual exhaust. These are great sounding cars, incredible cars to drive. If you've never driven or ridden in one of these, they're unbelievable. These cars get a lot of attention for not being too old of Cadillac. You'll drive these down the road, pull in the parking lots, gas stations, and it's amazing the people that will want to talk to you about it, especially when you got a nice low mile clean one like this. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for a extended service contract. So check with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Look up and down this driver's side too. Won't see a bunch of dings and nicks or scratches. I did notice a scuff way down here on the bottom of the door. You can see that. I don't know if I can get to show up. There it is. Pretty minute down there. Like something scuffed up against the door opened into something. All right, let's check out the interior, start this thing up. Some wood grain amenities added to around the door handles and window switches. These would be factory Cadillac up through the dash, and it matches nicely, as you can see. Steering wheel controls for fan, temperature, and radio. One of the earlier cars to have that. And again, power seats, both sides. Leather's not ripped. Just kind of wrinkled like a comfortable pair of shoes when they're broken in. Like you'd expect a good quality leather to do it. All right, let's start this up. Check out the exact miles. All right, There you go, 33,490 original miles. As you can see, just the seatbelt warning indicator is on, and then the other one is the shift indicator. So no extra warning lights, service indicators, anything like that. See, it appears the car was stored indoors. Dash is in nice shape, not worn, faded, cracked. AC blows cold, it's freezing me out, and I can hear the compressor turning on and off out there. Let's turn that off a second. Alright, take a look around at the rest of the wood grain on the inside here. CD and cassette player. Dual climate control. Here's your heated seats for both sides. What a nice looking interior, luxurious car. Fun one to drive. I'll pop this hood a second too. Alright, slip around to the back here. What you'd expect out of a 33,000 mile Cadillac. Nice, smooth running engine. Barely hear it. I'll slip up to the front. I'll pop this hood. I think I can get it one-handed here, and we'll take a look at what it looks like underneath there. There you go. Struts work well. There it is. Our Star V8 32 valve dual overhead cam. Like I said, 300 horsepower. Smooth running engines. Lots of power and economical. There you go. 2002 Cadillac Eldorado. Some slight customization done to it. Give it a nice rich look. A little over 33,000 miles on it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can find the pictures. Down below this video, in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Ask your sales associate when you call in or email.